So let us come to here. Just now we have studied that what blood is bringing the blood from blood means heart is bringing the blood from throughout the body with the help of veins, and as well as same again once the oxygenated blood has been pumping from the heart to the towards to the other parts of the body. Correct or not? Yes or no? So like just like a normal water pump, how water is pumping with the help of a normal motor or pump. The same way, is heart is like a pump, which is present a natural pump which has been inside our body, which will pumps water, pumps blood around our body continuously. Is it only working 1 hour, 2 hours per day, or else continuously per day? You have to speak.
Continuously, sir.
Continuously. That is what we can say. That is why you can see, like a pump, it is continuously supplying the blood for the body and without stopping, without any rust, it is working continuously. So that is what we can say. From that, I can say heart is like a pump. Will you accept it or not? Will you accept it or not? So heart is pumping the blood.
Yes, sir.
Is it yes or no? Heart pumping blood, pumps blood continuously without stop. Continuously without stop. So that I can call it as a what? Heart is like a pump. Correct or not? It is like a pump. But now you tell me, is it a single pump or a double pump? Anybody? Any idea? Is it a single pump or it is a double pump?
Sir, double pump, sir. Double pump.
Single pump or double pump? Double pump. Sir, what is double pump means? Two things need to pump, like the two motors separately need to work. Two pumps are there, then we can say it is double pump. So our heart is a 4-chambered heart, or else what we can say? 4 compartments, correct or not? Our heart is having 4 compartments or 4 chambers. So actually our heart looks like a single one, single pump, but actually it is not the single pump. It is double pump. Do you understand, all of you? That is why our blood circulatory system is called as double circulatory system. What we should call? What we should call? Double
circulatory system.
Oxygen is supplied, deoxygenated blood and as well as oxygenated blood has been carried from the heart only. So that is why it has been like it is a really double pump. That is what it is, and everything will study. So let us come to here. Heart is what is that? Heart is a what? Double pump. Do you understand, all of you? It is really a double pump. So why it is and how it is and all we'll study now. So let us discuss regarding this pump, heart, why it is double pump and all. So now you may understand by this time also. So as we know that left side of heart, we have 2 things. What is that? Can you able to say anybody? Left side of heart. Again, left side of heart, if we'll take, we have 2 things. What is that? Anybody? Any idea? Please tell me. Again, I will take the same picture for understanding better. So you tell me. So this is the picture. So in this picture, left side, we have 2 things. What is that? Can you able to say anybody?
Light
Left side, who is that? Left side, who is that? Left atrium, and you have to communicate here.
Left atrium.
Left side, two chambers are there. What is that? Left atrium and
Atrium.
Left
ventricle.
Yes or no? Left communicate. So yes or no? So we have left atrium and left ventricle acts as one pump, which pumps which blood? Pumps blood into the whole body except one part. What is that? This is one pump. And do you understand?
Yeah.
Left atrium and left ventricle will act like a one pump. One pump. Which will pump the which blood? Oxygenated or deoxygenated?
Oxygenated.
Understand? For throughout the body except one part. That part is called as what?
Lungs.
Do you understanding, all of you?
Lungs.
All of you, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
We have 2 things. One is what? Right
atrium and right ventricle.
Right ventricle. If you'll communicate, it is even more nice. So if it comes here, so which will act like a right side of the heart, which will act like a one pump. Means left side, which will
One
act
pump.
like one pump. That is left atrium and left ventricle, which will act like a one pump, which will pumps the blood into the whole body. So except lungs. Same way, right side of the heart we have right atrium and right ventricle, which will act like a what? Another pump. Do you understanding?
Another pump.
Which will another pump, which will carries the which blood? Which will carry the
Deoxygenated blood.
Deoxygenated blood.
deoxygenated blood, except for one part. What is that? Except
Lungs.
Lungs. Do you understanding now? So left side and right side has been middle separated by some tissues. A thin right side has been separated by some thin tissue called as what?
Septum.
Septum. Do you understand? So the pump which will pumps the blood only into the lungs. Understanding? So which will act like another pump which is pumps the blood only into the lungs, which is present in the right side. You can see the deoxygenated blood which has been
Deoxygenated
formed
blood.
by pulmonary artery, which is present in the
Pulmonary
right pump or left pump. Right pump. Do you understanding? Allah?
Right pump.
Right pump.
Sir.
Only it will pump the blood for what? The blood will come from main vein called as vena cava. Means from throughout the body it will enter into the heart. From this part, the blood will be transported to whom? Only to
Lungs. Only two lungs.
lungs. Do you understanding all of you? So from the right pump,
Yes, sir.
the blood is transported to only one organ. What is that organ? Lungs. Understanding?
Lungs.
From the left pump, the blood is transported throughout the body except one organ. What is that? Organ.
Lungs. Except for
So,
lungs.
are you people remembering or not? So that is why you can
Yes.
say
Yes, sir.
our heart is a what? Single heart, single chamber or double chamber heart. Pump. Do you understand?
Double septum.
So it is a double pump because left atrium and left ventricle act like a one pump, and right atrium and right ventricle will act like a another.
Another.
Another pump.
You understanding all of you? So that is why these are called as double heart, double pump heart. Our human heart is called as really a double pump, and the middle they have been separated by a thin sheet of tissues. That is what we should call as what? This is what?
Septum.
Wall partition, which we used to call as septum. Do you understanding all of you? And you have to remember, is it these two pumps are working dependent or independently? We depending on each other or independently each other? Is it they are working dependently or independently? Is it they are depending on both or independently they are working? Please, you have to tell me. Dependent or independent? These two pumps are dependent or independent? I'm asking.
Independent.
Huh? Is it they are dependent or independent? Suppose you forgot about it. What is the function of right pump? Anybody? What is the functioning of right pump? You communicate. I won't speak everything. What is the functioning of Dina? Kevin? What is the functioning of right pump? Right pump. Right pump means carries two things. What is that? Right atrium
Right ventricle.
Right ventricle.
and right ventricle. Right ventricle. So what is the use of this? What is the use of this? It will pump
Sir,
the
pumps deoxygenated blood.
From the oxygenated blood
Only
to
deoxygenated blood.
only it will pumps the blood for lungs. Which blood? Deoxygenated.
Deoxygenated blood.
Same way if it comes to the left pump, which will pumps the blood for whole body, for
All parts of the body.
whole body except for
Lungs.
lungs.
Oxygen. Blood, sir.
Except for lungs, which we used to call as what? Oxygenated blood.
Oxygenated blood.
Oxygenated blood.
Has been separated by a wall called as septum. Understand? So now
Septum.
It's the septum.
one is oxygenated blood, another one is deoxygenated blood. So is it right pump and left pump, they are working independently or dependently? I am asking. Is it they are depending on each other or independently each other? Please tell me. Left heart will do its work own, and right heart will do its work own. Means right pump will do its own work, and the left pump will do its own work, because both are separated with a wall. There is no connection between them, so that both are independently or dependent each other. Both are
Independent.
independently they will work.
independent.
Understanding, Ra? All of you independently,
Sure.
the two pumps pumps will work. All of you note it down. Please, all of you note it down. The two pumps in the heart work independently. The two pumps works independently each other. Now, my question is, let me say around 21 students are there in meeting. Arun Karthikeyan, anybody, Ashika, why we need septum between these chambers of the heart? Why we need septum here? Anybody? Why?
Because it will not mix
Because-
oxygenated and
To prevent
deoxygenated
the
blood, sir.
oxygenated and deoxygenated.
Everybody, so many speaking. Others? Ashika,
will prevent
Akshaya,
mixing.
because why we have a septum, why it has been acting like a double pump, means in the sense of they have been separated the oxygenated, prevent the mixing of. Very good. So that is what the reason. So they will ask you the question, why we have a septum, which is separation of left and right side of the heart, because it is necessary to prevent the
Oxygenated, mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood.
oxygenated blood on the left side with the deoxygenated blood on the right side. Do you understand all
Right.
of you? Yes or no? That is what
Yes,
you have
sir.
to understand. So that is the reason why we should have septum. So all of you note it down. What is the functioning of septum? Why we need septum? The wall, because necessary to separate wall partition, necessary to separate oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood. Which side? Left side or right side? Oxygenated blood from left side. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
And deoxygenated blood from where?
Right side.
Right side.
Blood. Necessary to separate oxygenated blood and left side and deoxygenated blood from right side. Right side. Heart. Because what means it will prevent what? Simply you can say prevent mixing. That's all. All of you note it down. This is all about the heart and their chambers. Any doubt? Anybody till here ask me? Now only it will start, because we are going to study now double circulation. Means we are studying our heart is double pump. Correct or not? It will be works like a double pump. Then how it will be working? How the blood will be carries oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. That is all the things we will discuss now. Is it okay? Shall I start? Everybody, Himaira, Karthikeyan, Nitish, Pranita,
Yes, sir.
Varshini, you have to speak. Varshini, what is happening? Very silent. So that is what. So let us discuss. Before we describe the circulation of blood, understanding means double circulation, you can say, as already Dina is saying, double circulation. So actually it is double circulation only. Why a double circulation? Because our heart is what? Double pump or single pump?
Double pump.
Double pump. So that is why we can say it is double circulation. Understand? So before we'll describe about the circulation of blood in the human body, like with the help of some diagram, double circulation, we should keep 2 points in mind. One is blood circulates in our body in 2 forms always. What is the 2 forms? What is the state of blood? Anybody? We have in our blood, in our body, the blood is always
Oxygenated,
2 types of blood is present. Sir, every blood is red color only, correct, sir? Then what is 2 parts?
oxygenated,
Oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Do you understanding all of you? So always before going to study the double circulation or circulation of blood in our human body, you must know blood always circulates in our body in 2 forms. What are that? Oxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood.
Deoxygenated blood.
Anybody is having any doubt, you please tell me. One is, let me consider oxygenated blood. Another one is deoxygenated blood. So what is oxygenated blood? Anybody? What is oxygenated blood? Please let me know. What is oxygenated blood? Let me take, this is oxygenated, because oxygenated means left or right, Ra? Left or right?
Left.
Left.
Left, sir. Left.
Right heart. So now, what is oxygenated blood? Anybody? Pranita, Jesse? The blood carrying, the blood carrying what?
That contains oxygen.
The blood carrying oxygen.
Food and oxygen.
Oxygen in it is called oxygenated blood. No food. Forget about the food. Only oxygen. The blood which is carrying oxygen in it is called
Oxygen.
oxygenated blood. So same way, oxygenated blood is coming from where? Oxygenated blood in the lungs, which is coming from where? Which is coming from the lungs, which has been bring it to the heart. Bring it to the heart by water. Only one vein. What is that called as? Only one vein. What is
Pulmonary.
it called as?
Pulmonary.
Pulmonary vein. Which
Pulmonary vein.
Pulmonary vein.
oxygenated blood from the lungs, which is called as pulmonary vein. Lungs, where the fresh oxygen of air passes into the blood. So next, that oxygenated blood will be pumped with the help of one main artery. What is that main artery called as? Aorta. Understanding?
Aorta.
Arteria, aorta, whatever it is, whatever the pronunciation you can call. So because of that, with that, the blood is pumped throughout the body. Correct or not? Now, same way,
Yes, sir.
deoxygenated blood, which is present in the right chambers, right side chambers of the heart. What is the meaning of deoxygenation? Deoxygenated. Is it oxygen is present or not?
No, sir.
No,
sir.
sir.
Is it present or not? So, the blood having no oxygen, all of you remember, the blood having no oxygen in it is called as what? Deoxygenated blood.
Deoxygenated
In
blood.
exam, they will never ask you write the definition of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. You have to know the meaning of it. That's all. But don't expect that like that silly questions is going to ask like our school exams. It is not going to be happen. Do you understanding all of you? Definitely, like these simple definitions, no exam is going to ask. Just we need to understand the concept. That is what you have to learn the definition. That is why even I am not giving. But you people will define oxygenated and deoxygenated. Yes or no? Any doubt? Anybody?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Oxygenated means oxygen rich blood, means yeah, like he's saying. So which is carrying oxygen is called as oxygenated blood, which no oxygen is carrying.
Not right.
Deoxygenated blood.
Deoxygenated
The
blood.
blood which is carrying carbon dioxide, we can call as what? Which is carrying carbon
Deoxygenated blood.
oxygenated blood.
Deoxygenated blood.
Oxygenated blood passes through the organs of the body. From the heart to the organs, it has been passed. So the body cells use up this oxygen and they will make it into deoxygenated. Correct or not?
Deoxygenated.
The blood carried the oxygen which has been utilized by our body cells and they have been turned into what? Deoxygenated. So
Oxygenated.
deoxygenated, it will carry water. It will carry a toxic substance known as which
Carbon
Carbon
carbon dioxide. So what is the
Carbon
cause of
dioxide.
carbon dioxide? Where it has been produced? During which reaction? During
Sir,
Respiration.
respiration.
during
Respiration.
Respiration.
That is what you have to remember. Do you understanding all of you? So during respiration, the body cells will produce this carbon dioxide. So deoxygenated blood, it will carry what? It will carry.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Do you understanding?
Carbon dioxide.
That is what you have to remember. And also you have to remember one more thing. The blood circulates in the body. When the blood circulates in the body, means the sense of from the heart to the other parts of the body, it will supply the oxygen and also it will supply the another thing. What is that? It will also carry what? Food. What is that?
Food.
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 And as well as one more thing is present. What is that? Which is-
Oxygen.
what? Also, etc. It will carry. What is that? Oxygenated blood only, which is released by, secreted by some body parts, which we used to call as hormones. Have you remembered hormones? Yes, sir.
Hormone.
So hormones also, which we used to call as chemicals. What we should call?
Chemicals.
Chemicals like hormones to all the cells of the body, also carried by whom? Carried by
Oxygenated blood.
do you understand?
Oxygenated blood.
So, and also the back waste product like carbon dioxide, urine, urine not, urea, this all the etc.
Urea.
products, everything, excretory products, everything, they will be bring back from the cells to the body. Understanding? From the body cells, who will bring?
Deoxygenated blood.
That is what you have to remember it. All of you. Do you remember all of you? So that is why we can
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
like not like our manual pumps, our heart is a non-stop pump at all the time. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is why
Yes,
sir.
sir.
our heartbeat, you can say, that is what we can say, carrying of oxygenated blood from the left side of the heart, bringing the deoxygenated blood from the body parts to the right side or to the
The
heart,
right side of heart.
continuously pumping. Left side, good oxygenated blood, and the right side, bringing what?
Deoxygenated blood.
Continuously this is happening. The pump is always doing these two actions. So that is why this is called as what it is, heartbeat, understanding, which will works like a non-stop at all the time. Correct or not, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this heartbeat, what is this heartbeat and all, we'll study in the coming classes, not an issue. But why it is non-stop at all the time? Because at every moment, oxygenated blood has been pumped by one artery. What is that called as artery? From the left side of the heart to the throughout the body with the help of main artery. What is that main artery?
Aorta.
Aorta.
Aorta, you can write aorta, understanding, aorta. And from the right side of the heart, which needs to pump the deoxygenated blood through whom? For
Sir, pulmonary artery.
pulmonary artery.
Pulmonary artery.
For whom?
Lungs, sir.
Body.
The lungs.
Lung.
Lungs.
So this continuously, this action should be happening. So that is why our heart is always, it is a non-stop at all the time. Do you understanding, all of you? Yes or no? And that is why you can see the heartbeat also, we can heard a sound called as lub dub, lub dub, lub dub. You can heard. Now you can see, all of you. You can observe your heart with the patience with us, with a with a concentration. We can heard our sound like closing, relaxation and contraction. Relaxation and contraction. Is it yes or no? Close it, being dub dub, lub dub, like that sound we can heard. Correct or not? Are you hearing or not? Yes or no? That is what we can say, that
Yes, sir.
rhythmic music, understanding. So this rhythmic music, like we can say, contraction and relaxation of the heart muscles, which make up the arteria and the ventricles. So that is what we can say, the sound which is produced by heart, which we can say
Heart.
lub dub, lub dub. So how it is happening? So the same thing, how it is happening means we have left arteria and left ventricle, and same way we have what? Right
Arteria and
right
ventricle.
ventricle. Understand? So we have totally how many arterias? Two arteria and
Two ventricles.
What is the two arteria? Left atrium and right atrium. Same way
Right atrium.
we have two ventricles. What
ventricles.
is that? Left ventricle
Right
and
ventricle.
right ventricle. So you remember here, two arteria contract together and relax together. Same way, two ventricles contract together and relax together. Do you understanding, all of you? Do you
Yes,
understand, all of you?
sir.
At a time, two arteries contract and relax together. Same way, two ventricles contract together and relax together. So the contraction of arteria is immediately followed by the contraction of the ventricles. Do you understand, all of you? Means the arteries will contract and immediately the ventricles also will contract. When the arteries are relaxing, the ventricles also will be relaxing. Do you
Relax.
understand, all of you? We immediately, one after one will be followed, immediately followed by the contraction of the ventricles. When the arteria are relaxing, immediately it has been followed by whom? The ventricles also will become relaxing. That is why we can say it is, understanding, double circulatory system, double blood circulatory system, and because of this continuous contraction and contraction, not contraption, contraction,
Contraction.
and relaxation,
Relaxation.
contraction and relaxation, then our heart muscles, which will, understand, because of this arteria and ventricles, that is what it will be. While pumping, it is used to produce the sound, continuous contraction and relaxation. That is what our heartbeat. What we should call
Heartbeat.
do you understanding, all of you? So this heartbeat, what is the meaning of heartbeat, Ra? What is the meaning of heartbeat? Anybody? General meaning. Let's
The sound when the heart is
just beating of heart, correct or not? Heartbeat means beating of heart only, correct or not?
yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
gravity. Dina? That is what I'm saying, Dina. It is, they have a valve and they are having a, that is what I'm saying, Dina. You are asking in the veins only, correct or not? So the blood has been pumped from the body cells at every level. So every level they are having a wall called as, what is that wall I said? They're having a, veins are having a wall, so which will prevent the backflow of the blood. Do you understand me, Dina? Everything has been carried upward direction only, like a capillary tube. Do you know that? If you'll keep the, that what we can say, candlelight or something, how the oil has been absorbed to the upward, same direction, capillary direction. Understand, Dina? Capillary motion against the gravity. Okay, so that is. So now let us comes to here, the heartbeats. This heartbeat also we can call it as beating of heart. What we should call?
Or
Beating
beating of
Beating of heart.
circulates the blood in the human body. So heartbeat means which will circulates the
Blood.
blood in the human body. So how it is circulated, what is this, and from where to where it will carries, this all we'll study in the coming class. So that is what we have, two arteries and two ventricles, both at a time they will, one is immediately followed by another one, contraction and relaxation. That is
That's
what we
it.
are calling as heartbeats or beating of heart. That is how it is working, and everything we'll study in the coming class. With this I will stop the today's session. Thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.